Thanks. Also watching out for you, a major upgrade to the Security Water District nearing completion, but construction work on the pipeline going to disrupt traffic for a few weeks. News 5's Andy Cohen joins us live from the district administration building tonight with more for us. Andy.
Yeah, Bradley Road is closed from Main Street to the east all the way to Cody Drive at the west. This pipeline project is going to allow the water district to access water in its wells, which it hasn't been able to do for 4 years now because of chemical pollution. The closure on Bradley Road starts here at Main Street and stretches a few blocks over to Cody Drive. Crews hired by the Army Corps of Engineers are installing new pipeline as part of a groundwater mitigation project. The road work should wrap up in about 2.5 weeks.
They're really putting in the last pieces of the pipeline, and then they got to make sure everything works right.
The Security Water District historically provided water to customers from a series of 24 wells, but in 2016, elevated levels of a toxic chemical known as PFAS were detected. So the district built an emergency connection to Colorado Springs Utilities Southern Delivery System as a workaround.
We spent about $6 million to do those emergency fixes. Fortunately, in 2018, the Air Force started paying the bills for the water that we're buying.
The contamination was traced back to firefighting foam used by the Air Force. The military has since paid for this ionization filtration system. It can remove the chemicals from the water. The pipeline brings the contaminated groundwater here for treatment and then carries the clean water back to customers.
That water provides the best value for our customers because all of that well infrastructure was bought and paid for years ago.
As of today, the project appears to be on schedule to wrap up by the end of the year. And once that construction work is finished, there's going to be a period of time for water quality testing, but the district is optimistic that they'll be able to bring this system online in early 2021. Always watching out for you, Andy Cohen, News 5.
Andy, thanks for the update.